Garcia, and in this video I'm going to explain alerts. Alerts are an essential tool in monitoring and managing endpoints. They allow us to define acceptable value ranges and automatically generate alarms when values fall outside these thresholds. So let's go. To create your first alert, go to Settings. In Settings, you are going to look for Alarms in the menu and click on Alerts. Click on Add, and finally you are going to see in the screen 4 tabs. In the first one, Details, you are going to select the endpoint that you want to monitoring. In Condition, you are going to specify the value or values that trigger the alert. In Normal Condition are the expected values for that endpoint. Then choose the severity level based on the importance and impact of the alert. Consider factors such as the urgency of response and potential consequences. Available severity levels are Information, Low, Medium, and High. Now, in the Notification tab, you are going to add the people you want to be notified when this alert is triggered. Remember that notifications are available in emails, SMS, and voice alerts, and also that you can add contacts and contact groups from your address book. In the following option, you can add a tag for the alert, and finally in templates you can modify the messages that your contact will receive. As a final step, you have to press Save and you will have created your new alert. That's all with alerts for now. I hope you find this video helpful and see you in the next one.